fuck? Yo, my dumbass. Oh my god. What? What am I doing? I thought the EX was the back card, bro. My troll. Thought I like messed up the pack trick. That's cool. W double hit box. Didn't get an SAR, but we did get the extra bonus spot. The bonus hit in the box. No bubble Mew, unfortunately. Ooh, that's cool. Nice. For all you Pokemon fans out there, y'all should definitely check out One Piece TCG, especially if you guys watch the anime or if you guys have been recommended the anime by a friend. Highly recommend One Piece. I will be opening more One Piece in these videos, so those Pokemon fans, y'all should really go out and check out all the One Piece stuff, because the One Piece stuff is cool. Card arts are absolutely beautiful. Y'all would love it. Here's our bulk. Y'all know where you could buy that. Hits here, you got these double rares. Hella double rares. Got our few radiants. I think it's 3 guaranteed radiants in the shines. And we got that bonus spot SR. And we got our full art radiant. Pretty fire. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you guys did, definitely hit that follow button. Make sure you guys go check out all the One Piece videos, like I said. Dropping a lot more of those recently. So, see y'all in the other videos. Hit that follow. Peace out, guys.